Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's raining outside my house right now. I'm thinking to make something more appetizing. So I have one piece of wild barramundi fish tail today. I've actually butterfly cut it and I marinate it with a bit of fine salt. Yeah, I'm going to fry it and then make a sauce to pour over it. So you want to heat up some oil until smoking point. Then carefully you put in the fish. Don't forget to wipe dry your fish before you put it in so that it won't splatter so much. Use at least medium-high heat to fry at least for the first about 2-3 minutes before you flip it over. This is after about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip it over. Look at the beautiful golden brown that I'm having right now. I'm giving another side another 2-3 minutes. Yeah, this is after about another 3 minutes. Let me flip it over. I prefer it to be a little bit more char on this side. So I'll give this side one last minute, then it is done. This is after another one more minute. It is basically done. Put it on top of an oil absorbing paper or a kitchen towel. I have the fish, small plate here. I'm going to give it some fried ginger with fried ginger oil. And light soy sauce. Done. That's how simple it is to make a sauce for your fried fish. You can add some chili padi on top if you like. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.